7:17, and we are looking at health headlines with WGN Morning News medical contributor and Northwestern Medicine physician, Dr. Lauren Streicher. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we have a new medication for
yeast infections.
Yeast infections.
And for people that suffer with yeast infections, this is big news because at least 75% of women will get one, if not two, in a lifetime. But then there are the women that get chronic yeast. Every time they turn around, there's another one. It never seems to go away. And these are really challenging to get rid of. So the FDA this week approved a new drug specifically for those women. And this drug is called VIVJOA, is designed to last a full year. And in the clinical trials, 90% of women had absolute resolution of their yeast infection, taking one pill a week for 11 weeks, and then that was it. A year later, they weren't having any. So this is something new, and this is something different. Downsides, not too many side effects, little headache, nausea, but the big issue is that it can cause birth defects. Okay. So what that means is this is intended for women who cannot get pregnant. You know, hysterectomy, postmenopause, tubal ligation, but beyond that, it's good news.
And a new study published by Dr. at Rush Medical suggests there is a connection between excessive napping and Alzheimer's.
Yeah, this was so interesting. Rush has been doing long-term studies on Alzheimer's, and this particular study has been going on for 14 years with 1,400 adults that they started following who did not have Alzheimer's. They're just kind of tracking for red flags. And what they found is that older adults that sleep more than 1 hour a day have a 40% increased risk of developing Alzheimer's.
Wow, that's pretty significant.
That's very significant. And really there's two take-homes from this study. Number one is we think of Alzheimer's as only impacting on cognitive function, but it can impact on other things like sleep. The second red flag is if you have an older adult in your life or you're in that category and you find that you are sleeping more than 1 hour a day, you may want to get checked out for changes in cognitive function. Larry, you look like you really want to say something.
Could it be that whatever is causing Alzheimer's is making them sleepy?
Right. No, just to be clear, there's an association. The napping is not causing the Alzheimer's. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
It is not causing the Alzheimer's. Yeah, no, I want to be clear. There is an association, and the feeling is that the Alzheimer's is causing the excessive sleepiness.
Okay, so excessive, if you're just a napper. Like,
so if you're a napper, you're a napper.
Yeah.
No.
You're just a napper.
No,
Yeah,
this is right. Exactly.
Okay,
Association, not cause and effect.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you really need to throw out your expired medications?
The short answer is no. That travel pack that's been sitting there for 3 years, and you think, oh, I got to toss all those meds out and buy a new one. And so these expiration dates, these are mandated by the government and the FDA that you put an expiration date on, which only means that you still have 90% efficacy at that expiration date. But think about it. The drug companies are highly motivated to have you toss those drugs out and buy new ones. So this was a study of multiple popular drugs, and they looked at them 5 years later, and they found that 88% of them still had over 90% efficacy.
Wow.
The other thing is, do they become toxic? None of them. None of them became toxic. And then they looked at 14 drugs 25 years later, and they found that 12 of those 14 drugs still had over 90% efficacy.
Wow.
Two exceptions. Number one, aspirin. Aspirin doesn't become toxic, but it does lose potency. And the second exception is my exception. It wasn't in the study. Birth control pills. You don't want to mess with your birth control pills.
Because 90% efficacy.
So those pills that you find in your purse that you haven't used for 5 years. If it's a year or two, you've got a little bit of a hall pass there, but if they're 5 years old, you can actually dissolve them in water and water your plants with them, and they'll grow like crazy. My tip for the day. I know. Isn't that interesting?
For more, check out Dr. Streicher's podcast, The Menopause Podcast. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.
Time for